Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. Now, with just a few days left for your examinations, and I'm also not going to tell you how many days are left because if I tell you how many days, you will get scared even more. That is why, with just a few days left for your examinations, it is very important to use each and every second of your day productively and efficiently and get as much output as possible in your studies. And at the same time, it is also very important to take breaks in between because only when we are fresh after taking the breaks, we will be able to focus and concentrate on our studies. Now, coming to the topic of this video, usually what I have noticed in my own life when I was a student and as well as the lives of so many students is that we usually wake up early in the morning before the exam days. However, we consume 1 to 2 hours easily doing routine things in the morning. Now, what are those routine things? Things like brushing our teeth, okay, using the restroom after the morning, doing our workout, and don't forget that it is also very important to keep your health on track because only if your health is perfect you will be able to do well in your examinations. So some sort of exercises, even if it is 5 to 10 minutes, just keep doing it even now. Okay, then taking our bath, then doing our puja, and then having our breakfast. Some of us might have even more commitments than these commitments in our routine. Now, what happens is when we do all of this, it easily takes 1 to 2 hours of our time, and usually we do all of this continuously, and only after finishing all of it, we start with our studies. So, what my tip is that, which even I used to follow when I was a student, and it worked wonderfully for me, is that I used to make all these routine tasks as a break from my studies. So, what I would do is as soon as I wake up, I would study for half an hour. Okay, then I would brush my teeth. This brushing my teeth used to be a break for me during studies. After that, I will again study for 15-20 minutes or half an hour. Then I will use the restroom. Then again I will study for half an hour and then I will work out. Then again I'll study for half an hour and then take a bath. Okay, then again I'll study for half an hour or 1 hour and do my puja, and then I'll again study for half an hour and take my breakfast. So what will happen is in my morning itself, from my waking up till 3 or 4 hours later, I would have completed effective studies of at least 2 to 3 hours, and also I would have completed all these routine things which however I must do. Since before the examinations, now you are having study holidays, it is not important for you to complete all of these routine things in a particular time. It is okay if you delay all these things as well, and if it goes late into the mornings. That is why one very useful tip is that you can use all these routine things as a break in your studies so that you do not waste your time in taking the breaks in the mornings. So I hope that you found this tip helpful, and I hope that you are able to apply this in the morning so that you can get as much productive time in the morning as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, dear, comment on this video and share it with your friends also. So see you in the next video, dear. Till then, take care. Bye bye.